Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever wondered if a serum could truly defend skin against daily environmental stress while keeping it hydrated and smooth? Well, today we're looking at the Lab Series Daily Rescue Repair Face Serum, a product designed specifically for men's skin that promises hydration, protection, and anti-aging benefits. Since this is a men's product, my husband joined me to help test it and share an authentic perspective. The serum comes in a sleek 1.7 fl bottle and has a light citrus fresh scent. It's formulated to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, improve skin smoothness, and protect against environmental damage. Key ingredients include hyaluronic acid for hydration and other protective compounds designed to strengthen the skin barrier. Lab Series claims that clinical testing on 28 men over 8 weeks with twice daily use showed a 12% improvement in skin smoothness. In real-world use, my husband found the serum easy to incorporate into his routine. The texture is lightweight and absorbs quickly, leaving no sticky residue, something many men prefer in daily skincare. He applied it morning and night, under his moisturizer, and noticed a subtle but noticeable improvement in skin hydration and overall comfort. The fresh citrus scent is pleasant without being overpowering, which is a bonus for those sensitive to strong fragrances. There are several positives. It's lightweight, non-greasy, absorbs quickly, and provides a real sense of hydration and protection. The packaging is sturdy and travel-friendly, which is a nice touch. On the flip side, it's designed for men, so the scent and texture may not appeal to everyone, and the price is on the higher end for a daily serum. Some may prefer a product with more visible, immediate anti-aging effects, though the long-term benefits are supported by clinical testing. Considering value for money, this serum sits at a premium price point. But the quality of ingredients, clinical backing, and targeted formulation for men justify the cost if you're committed to consistent use. Compared to other men's serums on the market, it performs well. Lightweight, fast-absorbing, and hydrating, though there are cheaper options that may provide basic hydration without the anti-aging claims. The build quality of the bottle is solid, and the serum itself has a stable, effective consistency. We haven't had any need to contact customer support, but Lab Series has a strong reputation for addressing inquiries efficiently. Overall, the Lab Series Daily Rescue Repair Face Serum is a solid choice for men looking to protect and hydrate their skin while addressing early signs of aging. It's best suited for men with normal to dry skin who appreciate lightweight, non-greasy formulations. For those seeking a more budget-friendly option, simpler hyaluronic acid-based serums can provide hydration, but they won't include the specific protective and anti-aging benefits that Lab Series offers. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. The link to purchase the Lab Series Daily Rescue Repair Face Serum is in the description below. If you've tried this serum, drop a comment and share your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.